In today's video, I am going to teach you how to complete your Facebook business page profile. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page so you can begin editing the correct profile. Once you are in the right account view, open the Facebook business page that you want to update. On your page, look below the cover photo and click the Edit button. This will open the profile settings area where you can make changes to the public information shown on your business page. Begin by checking your profile picture and your cover photo. If either image is outdated, unclear, or no longer matches your brand, replace it with an updated version. Your profile picture should be easy to recognize, and your cover photo should represent your business clearly and professionally. Next, move to your bio section. Add a short and accurate description of your business, or update the current one if needed. Keep it clear and relevant so visitors can quickly understand what your business offers. After that, review your category. Make sure the category listed for your page matches your business type. If it needs to be changed or refined, enter the correct category so Facebook can display your page more accurately. Continue by adding or updating your business details. This includes your address, business hours, website, and any other available information in the profile settings. Check each field carefully and make sure the information is current. Accurate details help customers find your business and understand when and how to contact you. Once you have updated everything, take a moment to review the full page information. Read through each section and confirm that the details are correct, complete, and consistent with your business branding. When you are satisfied with the changes, click Save to apply your updates. After saving, return to your Facebook business page and look over the profile as a visitor would see it. Confirm that your updated profile picture, cover photo, bio, category, and business details are all displaying properly. This final review is important because it helps you catch any missing information or formatting issues before visitors see your page. If something does not look right, go back into the Edit section and make any final adjustments. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.